Hey guys, this is Mukshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I have created this silver glitter smoky eye look, which is really very easy. You guys can create this look for any party or any function and you're good to go. This look is really very nice. It's really very dramatic at the same time. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will always be notified when my new video comes. Also, you just need to follow all the steps and you're good to go and you're good to create this smoky eye. It looks really very nice and I have applied fake eyelashes also, so it is looking bomb at the same time. Please watch the video till the end, and yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I have done my face makeup and I'm done my brows. So now we are moving with the eyeshadow. Yes, and I'm just going to take my favorite Makeup Revolution Rose Gold palette, which is really very nice, and you guys can see we are using that pink shade which I have hit the pan totally. Yes, I'm taking it on a fluffy brush, just applying on my transition area, that is my crease area. So this will be a really nice color for your transition, and yes, I'm just building it up with the fluffy brush to give it more depth, and this is the perfect and my favorite shade for my crease area. Just blend it really very well guys, because we need that perfect base for our eye. So now with the help of a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going it all over my eye and the transition shade, because we need to make sure that the eyeshadow is blended really very well and there won't be any harsh lines as such. So now we'll be taking a black eyeshadow. You guys can take any black eyeshadow which you have. Just take it on a flat brush, a precise brush, because we need a very precise application on the outer corner of our eye, that is the outer V, because we need to make a V on the outer corner. So just pat the black eyeshadow really very well and make sure you blend it perfectly, and slowly you have to just take the product. You guys just don't need to take the product at the one go. You guys need to take the product at very slowly and you have to build it very nicely. So the crease which you can see, you have to just make a outer V, exactly what I am doing, and just fill the area with the black eyeshadow so you get a very nice precise eye look. You have to just drag the black eyeshadow till the middle of the eye. Just don't need to exit till your tear duct area. Just you have to take at the outer V, the outer half of the eye, and with the help of a fluffy brush just clean the edges of the black eyeshadow, so when you apply the glitter it merges really very well. Just build the eyeshadow and blend the edges. That is the only trick which you guys need to remember. If you feel that the eyeshadow is getting lighter, the black eyeshadow, then you guys can always build it up. You guys can take the product more and you guys can just pat the product on your outer V. That's it, and with that you can get the maximum pigmentation of the black eyeshadow. So guys, now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm applying on my eyelid. So basically I'm starting from the inner corner of the eye and just taking till the middle of my eye. We are just building the base for our glitter to stick it, and yes, I'm just blending it with a flat brush. As you guys can see, just go according to the shape. I'm just applying the concealer really very well, and now we are moving with the glitter. So I'm using Makeup Studio glitter. It is the silver glitter which is really very nice and it is very minute, and you guys can see I'm just applying till the middle of my eye, till the lid area, and I'm just patting it. You guys just need to pat the glitter, that's it, and it will stick on your eyes because we have applied concealer also. If you feel that the glitter hasn't set properly, then you guys can always take the glitter and just pat it. Just take the less amount of the glitter so it sticks really very well and it doesn't feel heavy on your eyes. So like this, I have also done different eye looks on my channel, so I'll just leave the link in the description box below. You guys can go and check it out there also. So I'm just taking the transition pink shade on a fluffy brush and blending on my transition area, the crease area, so it blends really very well and it merges the eyeshadow and we get that perfect nice glittery eye look. Also on the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the same black eyeshadow which we have applied on the outer V of the eye, so it looks all one natural and seamless, and this is the final look. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is really very nice heavy look for any close relative function or any event also. and you are simply good to glam. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when my new video comes. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.